In a world where cyber threats are a boardroom priority, one skill stands paramount: the art of negotiation. Meet Rob D'Amico, a name synonymous with high-stakes negotiation and crisis management. A former FBI negotiator and elite hostage rescue team member, his experience is your asset. From tense hostage situations to critical cyber negotiations, D'Amico has navigated the most daunting scenarios with precision and success. SentryOps Technologies presents a specialized 2-day course, blending D'Amico's real-world expertise with the latest in ransomware negotiation strategies. Day 1. Immerse yourself in the evolving ransomware landscape. Understand the threats through the lens of corporate security. Day 2. Elevate your skills with advanced negotiation strategies. Learn from D'Amico's first-hand experiences in diffusing high-tension situations. Engage in dynamic simulations, apply crisis management techniques, and interact with leading experts in cybersecurity and legal compliance. This is more than a course. It's an investment in your organization's resilience. Equip your team with the skills to navigate and resolve complex cyber threats. Join the ranks of corporate leaders mastering ransomware negotiation. Enroll in SentryOps Technologies' exclusive course today.